Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan in an air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients, including egg yolks, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and sugar for the caramel. Next, prepare your anura molds by melting sugar directly in them to create a beautiful, golden caramel base. Ensure the caramel coats the bottom evenly. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for the cooking process. This initial step is crucial for a perfect flan. Now, let's create the creamy custard. Carefully separate about 10 to 12 egg yolks, ensuring no whites mix in, as this affects texture. In a bowl, gently whisk the egg yolks with 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. Avoid overwhisking to prevent too many air bubbles. Finally, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined anuras. This step guarantees a silky, lump-free flan. With your anuras filled, it's time for the air fryer. First, cover each anura tightly with aluminum foil. This prevents the top of your flan from browning too quickly or burning, ensuring an even cook. Carefully place the covered molds into your preheated air fryer basket. Cook the Leche Flan at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. The cooking time may vary slightly depending on your air fryer model, so keep an eye on it. Once cooked, carefully remove the anuras from the air fryer. Let the flan cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Chilling is essential for the flan to set properly and develop its full flavor. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, then invert the flan onto a serving plate. Enjoy your perfectly air-fried Leche Flan. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.